When I think about mosses in particular as the most ancient of land plants, they have persisted here for 350 million years. They ought to be doing something right here. And one of those somethings, I think, has to do with their ability to cooperate with one another, to share the limited resources that they have, to really give more than they take. To me, they are exemplars of not only surviving, but flourishing by working with natural processes. Mosses are superb teachers about living within your means. Mosses build soil, they purify water. They are like the coral reefs of the forest. They make homes for this myriad of all these very cool little invertebrates who live in there. They are just engines of biodiversity. But the way that they do this really brings into question the whole premise that competition is what really structures biological evolution and biological success. Our role as human people is not just to take from the earth, and the role of the earth is not just to provide for our single species. Reciprocity actually broadens this notion to say that not only does the earth sustain us, but that we have the capacity and the responsibility to sustain her in return.